We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
And this week for our Throwback Thursday video, we're going to be doing a recipe that Marie did a year ago. It's called a coconut cream pie. And this is one of Marie's best recipes I think she's ever made. Really good. We love coconut cream pie, don't we, Marie?
We do. It's really a good pie. Easy too.
Very easy to make and very delicious. So what we're going to do, we're actually getting ready to do a taste test on this pie here that Marie just got through making. And so there'll be a video on this sometime in the next few days. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and let you watch our Throwback Thursday video. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you at the end of the video.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making an easy, no-bake coconut cream pie. And these are the ingredients. JELL-O vanilla pudding mix, 2 cups of milk, Cool Whip, and coconut. And so my first step is I'm going to be putting in my pudding mixture. I'm making this dessert for me and Calvin tonight. Okay. Now then I put in 2 cups of milk. And I beat this for about 2 minutes. And this is a real easy pie, and it's one of my favorites. Okay, so my next step I'm going to do is I'm going to put about half of this Cool Whip topping in it. Okay, and then I'm going to put in this coconut. That's about 3/4 of a cup. Just going to mix this all together. And this is a quick and easy pie. And if you got guests coming in the evening, you can make you a couple of these and they will really love you for it. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is just put it in my graham cracker crust. Okay, I have my pie mixture and my pie crust, and so I'm going to let it sit up in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, and then I'm going to come back and finish putting on the Cool Whip and the toasted coconut. My pie has been in the refrigerator for several hours now, and it's set up, so now I'm going to put my Cool Whip on top of it. I can't wait to eat a piece of this pie tonight. Coconut cream pie is my favorite. Let's see, I'll get a knife. Okay, so I remember the coconut cream pies that the Crystal used to make, and oh, I love them. They hadn't sold those, I don't think, in a long time. And this is another one of my easy, budget-friendly recipes. And it's very good. Okay, so now all you do is you put your coconut on it. Okay, here's my easy budget-friendly coconut cream pie, and I know if you make this pie you'll enjoy it. This is what I'm going to have for dinner tonight, or as we say in the South, supper. This toasted coconut really looks good on my pie, and so I'm going to do a little taste test. So let me get a fork. All right. Let's see. Here's my coconut cream pie, and it's my fast and easy budget-friendly recipe. And so I'm going to take a bite of it. Yeah, this is still my favorite pie. So I hope everybody had a good weekend, and today is Monday, and we're having beautiful weather here in Georgia. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.
Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know just watching Marie make that, it makes me want her to make another one real soon, because I love any of the pies that she makes, but especially that coconut cream pie. It was really delicious, Marie.
Well, thank you, Calvin.
Okay. Well, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on our next video.
And so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And like Calvin said, we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace.